What's up, y'all? Welcome to another random and chaotic assortment of clips that I have found relevant for no apparent reason. We're gonna be hitting a wedge sesh and we're gonna be hitting a super bank sesh. It's gonna be pretty lit. You're not gonna wanna miss it. We got Jeff Garrido here.
You got a skate tool already?
We got the Rotifier. I wonder how I'm gonna cross this. What do you think? Tell the people what you think.
It looks cool, and then it's even cooler than you expect.
That's exactly what I thought. Like, it's way cooler than way more fun than you'd think.
Yeah, like it literally is so sick.
And it's, ladies and gentlemen, it's all in this adapter here. This is what you need.
Literally something so simple as just riding along this wall is like hours of fun. It's just
it's a never-ending wave.
It just feels crazy.
If this battery was longer, you could just be here all day. All day.
I mean, I'm all like struggling to put on a suit, so maybe that's why I'm warm, but it's actually not too cold out here.
Wedge sesh time, y'all. All right. Well, not a whole lot of action today at the wedge. Super choppy, windy, and no sand. So the cider was a little bit subpar.